Okay, so if you want to flip the face of the actual audio file, so you don't need a plugin running, highlight the audio clip on your timeline. So let's go and highlight it. Go to the top menu, Audio Suite, then go to the Other, Invert, just like that. Okay, this window will pop up right here, and then just hit render. It's really small, but here we can select uh, options that we want. So here we can override files, create individual file, create continuous file. Then we have mono, multi-input mode, and so on. When we are ready, just click render. You can not undo OK. And just like that, the waveform will flip upside down. Okay. So I think it's done. So yeah, this is basically that this will permanently fix your uh, flipping face. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.